Hi kids, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today let's learn how to draw alphabet drawing. So let's go kids. Color name magenta color, brown color, yellow color, sky blue color, light green color, blue color, orange color, pink color, black color, red color. So let's go kids. Now I am drawing letter A. A is for apple. Now I am drawing letter B. B is for ball. Now I am drawing letter C. C is for cat. Now I am drawing letter D. D is for dog. Now I am drawing letter E. E is for elephant. Now I am drawing letter F. F is for fish. Now I am drawing letter Z. Z is for dog. Now I am drawing letter H. H is for house. H is for hen. So let's go kids. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Bye bye kids.